Welcome to Day 6 of our Windows 10 and 11 operating system guide for 2025. Today, we'll explore the Microsoft Store and show you how to find and install useful apps to improve your PC experience. Step 1. Open the Microsoft Store. Click on the Start menu and search for Microsoft Store. Open the app from the results. This is your one-stop shop for downloading apps, games, and entertainment. Step 2. Sign in with a Microsoft account. To download apps, sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can create it during the sign-in process. Step 3. Explore the home page. On the home page, you'll see featured apps, top charts, and categories like productivity, entertainment, and more. Use the search bar to look for specific apps. Step 4. Install an app. Click on an app to view its details. You'll see screenshots, reviews, and a description. Click Get or Install to begin downloading. The app will be installed automatically. Step 5. Manage installed apps. Go to the Library section in the Microsoft Store to see all apps you've installed. You can also reinstall apps from here if needed. Step 6. Update your apps. The Library tab also lets you check for updates. Click Get Updates to keep your apps up to date and secure. Step 7. Recommended apps for beginners. Here are a few apps you might find useful. Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. VLC Media Player for videos. Spotify for music. Zoom or Microsoft Teams for video calls. Adobe Reader for PDFs. That's it for Day 6. Now you know how to install and manage apps from the Microsoft Store. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for Day 7, where we'll guide you through file management and organizing your documents efficiently.